This is a 2005 Forest River Cardinal. It's a fifth wheel trailer, it's 32 feet long, and it has 2 slide outs. Has 2 cloth upholstered recliners, cloth upholstered sofa bed, it's a 2-door Dometic refrigerator freezer, Magic Chef microwave, and we have a Magic Chef oven with 3 burners, double sink, plenty of cabinets and drawers for storage. There's an AM/FM CD cassette radio. On the second level we have a king-size bed, large mirrored closet doors, plenty of dresser space for storage. Also have a 13-inch Zenith TV VCR combination, sink and vanity, there's a corner shower with glass surround and a skylight. And in here we have a private porcelain toilet.